Hello, today I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume on your Apple Watch. So, today in front of me is the Apple Watch SE first generation. It doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it's going to work the same on the all Apple Watches. So, you want to go to the settings by pressing the digital crown. You're going to be in the all apps on your Apple Watch. Just press the settings, this icon, and now you want to go down to the option that is called Sounds and Haptics. Click on it, and now you can adjust the volume. Press on the speaker with the waves to make it louder, or press on the speaker without waves to make it more silent. Also, you can just click on the volume and use the digital crown to adjust the volume. So, this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit a like. Bye!